I was easing on the brake and it just slid.
Oh, see, I thought it might mean that parts were falling off.
No. I remember why I don't want a CRF coming up that steep hill. We're good. Hold on, wait.
This has been like, you know, the most chaotic ride I've been on like ever, I think.
Front brake.
On the brake and it just slid.
What does honking mean in this ride context? I heard somebody honking like 3 or 4 times.
It's me.
Okay.
I swapped bikes with Randy, and that Honda, the horn button's where the blinker kill is.
It's the exact same problem.
Because I honked the horn, I was just checking, make sure my blinker wasn't on, and I see her look in the mirror, looking at me, and I'm like, no, go on.
See, I thought it might mean that parts were falling off.
No. The horn button's that big and right in the middle,
It's the same on the other one too.
I remember why I don't want a CRF coming up that steep hill. It's the forward position on it. It's like, as tall as I am, that balance point is a little narrow sliver that's hard to get right on. It's like I'm too far or too back. All the way till we got to that steep hill, I was like, I just need to go get Rick. It's ridiculous. It's wonderful. And then when I come up that hill, I was standing up and I was like trying to get on that. And it's like, on level ground is no problem. Downhill, no problem. But going up, it felt like I was trying to balance on a pinpoint.
You can put risers on it and move, you know, 1.5 inches forward, but to me it starts making the steering wonky, you know.
Hold on, wait just a second, I'll be there.
This has been like, you know, the most chaotic ride I've been on like ever, I think.
So y'all just bodge tape rules us. Bodge tape rules, sucks to be you, we're going to lunch.
Well, we waited for,
I know.
We got to where we hit 129, And everybody took off. I said, somebody wait for them. So we turned around, and I thought, you know what? If they aren't here by now, they went a different direction somewhere.
Yeah.
And they know where Lynchburg is.
Well, we saw you.
Nobody said anything, so I continued on.
That's because we weren't there to say anything.
Yeah.
I brought the perfect bike today.
Somehow you always do. Man, it was really late coming out today, though. I think he was undecided, awfully late.